Is there a difference between conceptually designing for textile or wallpaper?
Yeah.
What is it?
Well, it's simple enough. If you're doing a wallpaper, then it's going to stay flat. It's got the top and the bottom to it, or if it's a ceiling paper, or it's going to have to work with directly with the architectural aspects of the interior. If you're dealing with a fabric is very fluid. It does different things. It drapes, so therefore the scale is going to change. So you wouldn't have, although, for example, Sanderson or whatever you'd have the same curtains, the same wallpapers, the same upholstery, everything was all the same and at the same scale, and it was just quite, that was probably quite hallucinogenic compared to the kind of stuff we do. So you wouldn't have the same scale, or you certainly wouldn't have the two things in the same room, that kind of idea. And when you're designing for wallpapers, you just got to look out for weird diagonals. Sometimes if you do a little sort of slide, like a quarter drop, sometimes it can make the room look as if it's kind of falling slightly to the side, which, depending on how you're doing your design, that's what you want to do. But all these little key features of doing a repeat, because we started off learning about printed textiles in a very practical way of doing repeat properly, knowing how to do a repeat, not like on a computer we just go, well, there's that image there, I'm just going to throw it up there. You have to work out the traditional way of doing it, you get your drawing and cut it into 4 pieces and swap them all over, then fill in the space in between. So you have to do that beautifully, because if you don't do it, you then get these really awkward, funky repeats. So effectively the same, it's just the difference is one will drape, or one will become a cushion, or one will become an upholstery.
Can you talk a little bit about how the digital process has changed what you do along the from conception to?
Digital process has been absolutely fantastic. It's allowed us to be far more experimental. It's allowed us to invest in designs that might have no monetary value, as in we won't sell a lot of it, but they're important for the collection, for the company to be showing that you're being really quite experimental with stuff. And we can produce, after we've done the design, we produce 3 meters, photograph it, put it on the website. It's now in production, so when you want to buy it, we continue the order. We don't have to buy or invest in 12 screens at £1,000 a screen or £600 a screen, whatever it would be, before we've even done a meter of fabric. And that's going to stop you from doing things. If you think, well, in order to do any print to get it onto the market, I'm going to have to invest £6,000. And if it doesn't sell, I've lost £6,000.
So a lot more, in some ways, freedom.
Oh, absolutely. And I mean, don't get me wrong, digital has its issues. In practical terms, it's very easy for, when you're printing digitally, for something to happen. So you might get an ink will drop somewhere that it shouldn't drop. So from that kind of point of view, then you've got the same crisis as you have with a hand print, but you work around that. But in terms of how it's open, sometimes we cross the two things as well. We do digital print with hand print, because hand print can't do metallics. Sorry, digital can't do metallics at the moment. There's certain things that it can't do, like some of the hand prints over here where it presses onto the velvet. Can't do that with digital. So you get all these different effects. So sometimes we mix the two.
So it sounds like definitely a lot of possibility there.
Oh, it's incredible. Plus you can engineer prints as well. So you can design something that moves around a room as well, which we do sometimes for wall coverings. And we've converted some of these into like your type 2s, as you call them. And we can take a pattern and change how the artwork works. So it's got a bottom and a top and a middle part. It might actually respond to some of the details of your architecture as well, but maybe create a little pattern that goes round the sides, and we can produce that. It's completely accurate. Well, it's as accurate as your, I call them decorators, what you call them, paper hangers, you install it. Obviously, if they're not very good, then you're stuffed.